Hey everyone, it's Marlakani, also known as Java Little Professor. So in today's video, we're gonna be learning the Java double data type. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so first of all, what is the Java double data type? So the Java double data type is used to represent or to write decimal numbers just like in real life. Like in real life, we use the math, in math there's decimal. So just like that, in Java, there's also decimal numbers that we call double or float. All right, guys. So let's start writing our code. All right. So first of all, we're gonna write double my number or my num is we can write 5.76. All right. Now what we're gonna try to do today is we're gonna try to write the sum of 5.76 with another number, product, quotient, and division, subtraction, the difference, and etc. Right, the double minum is equals to 5.76. Now we're gonna try to find the sum. So double sum is equals to minum plus, we're gonna write which means 5.76 plus any number we would like, so 3.7. All right. Now once we're done doing that, we're gonna write system dot out dot print ln, and then inside of the parentheses, and obviously don't forget the semicolon, system dot out dot print ln, and then we're gonna write the sum is, we're gonna write of we're gonna write the sum of plus uh actually wait, the sum of my num of plus, we're gonna write 5 point of plus, we're gonna write my num, and then plus plus the sum of my num, which means the sum of 5.76, and then we're gonna write the plus symbol over here, and then we're gonna write the, again, another plus, we're gonna write 3.7, the sum of minus plus 3.7, and then we're gonna write again plus is equals to is equals to is equals to yeah, is equals to the sum, so plus sum. All right, so as you can see, it was pretty easy. So we've already written like three lines of code so far. So now we're gonna do pretty much the same thing for for the other, like product, the difference, etc. So after sum, which means addition, it's subtraction, right, in math. So let's start with the difference. So which means double difference is equals to minus minus, we can write 2.73. All right. And then we're gonna write the same thing, system dot out dot print ln. Alright, system dot out dot print ln, and then we're gonna write the difference. So basically, we're just gonna copy paste this, all right, to make it much faster. So the sum is, but we're just gonna change some variable names and stuff. So the difference, we're gonna write here the difference of minum plus minus uh plus which what was our number, 2.73. all right, so we should keep that in mind, is equals to plus uh difference. All right, so let's just write it, difference. All right, and then we're gonna finish it with a semicolon, and system data dot println. Oops, yeah, just like that. All right, now we're done doing trying to find the difference of the 5.76 minus 2.73, and it's obviously gonna print the result or the difference for us automatically, so we don't have to worry about that. And then after after subtraction, I mean, or the difference, we're gonna proceed to product, which means the multiplication. So we're gonna do the same thing. Double multi. Actually, we're gonna write double product is equals to. We're gonna write my num times. You're gonna write 5. My num times 5.2. All right, and then we're gonna write system dot out dot print ln. Once again, we're gonna write the same thing. Copy paste it to save some time. Obviously, I don't want to waste your I don't want to waste the your guys' time. I mean the product plus my num, yes, my num, and then we're gonna write times 5.2. So 5.2, and then we're gonna write plus product. So all right, product. All right, now we've done doing the product, the sum, and the difference. Now we're gonna do the division, and then after that we're gonna do the modulus. So double, we're gonna write double. Actually, wait a minute. All right, double. We're gonna write quotient is equals to my divided by. So my divided by, like, we can do what? We can do by 2. Then we're gonna write system dot out dot print ln. All right, guys. So system dot out dot print ln and then semicolon, obviously. Then we're gonna put inside of the quotation marks, obviously, and then put the actually we're gonna write this, and then the sum we're gonna put the quotient of my plus, we gotta remove the plus and put like the division symbol, so we can put the this divided by 3.7. So 3.7, it's actually not 3.7, it's divided by 2. Divide by, let's do 2.2. All right, because we use the double quotient, so that's why. So double quotient 2.2, and then plus quotient. All right, now we've done doing all of this code. Look, double my we've done the sum, the difference, the product, and the quotient. So now we're gonna run the code, and then we're gonna add a special line of code, obviously, which is the modulus, which means the remainder of two divisions. So the sum of 5.76 plus 3.7 is equals to 9.46. The difference of 5.76 minus 2.73 is 3.03. The product of 5.76 times 5.2 is equal to 29.951999, and so on. And then the quotient of 5.76 divided by 2.2 is equals to 2.61, 0.61, 8181, and so on. So yeah, we've done so much so far. So now we're gonna add the modules. So we're gonna do double modulus is equals to, we're gonna write my the percentage sign, we can write 1.5. All right, now we're gonna write system dot out dot print ln. Then we're gonna put the semicolon. Then we're gonna write again, copy paste to save some time. The sum, we're gonna replace it the remainder of my which means the 5.76 of my divided by of my divided by, we're gonna put divided by, which means actually a my modulus, we're gonna write 1.5 is equals to modulus. So now let's save the code. Control S. Don't remember, so this is a special tip for you guys. So if you want to save the code, just press Control S. That's it. And now let's save and run it. And as you can see, it added a special line of code, which is the remainder of 5.76 divided by 1.5 is equals to 1.25999, and so on. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. So I hope you like this simple and very easy to understand tutorial of the Java double data type. So if you understood this video and like this video, so please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.